Hey guys, in this video, I will show you new grow a garden codes. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Roblox and launch grow a garden. Over here, tap the settings button located in the top left corner of the screen. After that, scroll down the settings menu until you see the redeem codes section. Then enter a working grow a garden code into the box that says type code here. After that, click the green claim button on the right. Then your free items will drop straight into your account. Over here, currently there aren't any active codes for Grow a Garden. Check back soon for new ones. After that, keep in mind that free items like time limited boosts may activate automatically. Use them when you're ready to take full advantage. Then, for more Grow a Garden codes, you can check the official Grow a Garden Discord or follow the developer's Twitter profile. After that, if you can't join the Discord, try again later since the server might be full. It increases capacity over time. Then, to help unlock new codes like the Grow a Garden game on Roblox and follow its social channels. Over here, milestones like Discord server size or Twitter followers may trigger new codes in future updates. After that, if you don't want constant notifications or can't use Discord, just check back on code pages regularly. Then, while waiting for new codes, you can also check out the Grow a Garden Pet tier list or Seeds tier list for helpful tips. So that's basically how you can new Grow a Garden codes. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.